Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through on how to register on Groww. Okay, how can you open a trade account, which is basically a DMAT account. Okay, it's really easy and simple, and there's no maintenance charges. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So first things first, of course, you want to download the Groww app or open the Groww website, and then you want to come here. Okay, you want to register. Click on register. You can continue with the Google email ID or account, or you can create your own by setting it your email address, and then put your email ID and phone number. And then of course, guys, you're gonna have to verify your phone number. They're gonna send you an OTP on that phone number. You have to take that one-time password and you have to verify right here. And then, guys, they're gonna ask you to put in your PAN number and confirm your identity. You just want to do that, put in your PAN number. And of course, guys, you'll need to enter your bank details like the IFSC code and account number. And then, of course, guys, they will ask you to verify the bank details. You're going to go ahead and do that and then click on complete setup under the stocks tab. And then, guys, they will tell you about the different applicable, charges. You just want to read all those things, basically the terms and conditions, read those things and tick to agree. And then, guys, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on open stocks account to unlock your stocks investment option to grow, on Groww. So usually when you create an account, you're just creating an account, but now we have to unlock this investment option. Then you want to enter details. They're going to ask for you details, for example, your occupation, how much income you're making, the names of your father, your mother, and you have to click on continue on next to basically complete the KYC process. KYC process, basically know your customer process. They want to know, information about you to if they can actually accept you into the program. And then, guys, you have to enter your trading experience from the list of values and just click on next. And then you have to sign in a dark ink on white paper. Choose like black ink or dark blue ink on a white piece of paper. Click the photo and you want to upload your signature for them. Okay, then you basically e-sign the account opening form, based on your Aadhaar card, and then you want to enter the OTP that you receive on the linked mobile number. So this, your mobile number linked to your Aadhaar card, okay? And then you basically want to read the instructions of the account opening form and click on a sign up now. And then, guys, you have to enter your Aadhaar number as well on the NSDL e-sign service portal, and then click on send OTP again. So this is like a third time we're sending an OTP. And then you want to enter this OTP to complete the account opening process. And usually, guys, within a few hours, the account gets activated once your documents have been verified by Groww and the broker end. But if that doesn't happen in a few hours, guys, usually within 1 to 2 days, it should be done. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.